Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video let's learn about how to add phone number on OnlyFans app. So let's get started. You can get into app or you can get into any browser and search for OnlyFans. And let's get into it. Now make sure you are logged into it. Now in the bottom right we'll be able to see our profile icon. So let's tap on that and click on settings. Now we need to click on account. Here we'll be able to see all of our details including email address and phone number. And we can see my phone number is not added yet. Simply click on it. Now you need to enter your phone number here. And once you are done, simply click on save. And your phone number will be saved. For the security check, you'll get a code in your phone number. And by entering that, you can finally add your phone number here. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.